At 62 years old, I think I've found my place in this world. I still cannot work out how they I've always chosen to have a small circle of friends in my private life. But YouTube has provided me with a gift of thousands of virtual friends from all over the world. On social media, as in real life, friends will come and go as they wander from channel to channel looking for somewhere else to rest, before eventually moving on again. I've been privileged to have made over 16,000 new friends who have decided to stop and rest with me for a while. I've been lucky to have met several dozen of them, a few of which have become now friends in my private circle. Hey, my channel is nothing special to shout about because my subject matter is very common. It's difficult to stand out from the crowd with so many inspirational and talented creators. My initial reason for becoming a video creator was to try and find a way to reach as many people as possible who would maybe help support me in my fundraising for Cancer Research UK. I was, admittedly, a little hasty in setting myself the enormous challenge of raising £50,000. I thought it would be easier than it really was, and especially as I could appeal for some help using that medium of video. It's been a long and sometimes demoralising uphill struggle, but this year I will finally achieve that goal thanks to many people like you who have stopped by to rest with me for a while before moving on. So whoever you are and wherever you may be resting now, thank you for stopping by for at least a while. My future in YouTube may be a little uncertain now because the fundraising is almost over. But I've enjoyed opening up my life to the world, sharing my experiences, my creations, and I will continue to do so for at least the foreseeable future. I would love you to become part of my virtual group of friends, and maybe even my personal group of friends in the future. I am particularly grateful to those of you who have mentored me and inspired me. So cheers, see you again in your cake hole.
In your cake hole.